Baby, that's my boy. You get anything you like. Long as you alright, tell me alright. Me know you're man, that's why I like you. To a woman that likes you see bump up the proper size.
Waah Gwaan YouTube, it's your girl Shickaa Chung, and I'm back at it again with another video. Oh my god, it's been so long since I've done another YouTube video. I've been so busy. I've just been dealing with so much stuff throughout this past year. I remember in the New Year's tutorial I did say I was trying to accomplish some goals, and your girl did accomplish some goals. So yeah, that's why I've been very missing. But now I'm back and I'm really happy and I'm really excited to bring you guys some new content. So today I'm actually going to be doing a review on the Kat Von D Signature Precision Brow Pencil. I'm so excited. I got my hands on it and I'm very excited to use it because normally I use pomades to do my eyebrows, but this time I'm going to be testing out one of the, you know, high-end eyebrow pencils. So this is what it came in. It came in on like a nice sleek box with, you already know, her signature decoration, you know. I got it in the color walnut. Cute. So yeah, I'm actually very excited for this. I heard a lot of good stuff on it, and it looks like microbladed eyebrows. Anyways, so this is what the pencil looks like. So it's a double-sided pencil. So on one side it has the spoolie, which that's nice because I always lose my spoolies. Like I always have, like when I use the pomade, I have my angled brush and I have my spoolie. I always lose the spoolie, and then when I'm doing my eyebrows, I'm like, yo, what am I gonna brush my eyebrows with? Like a girl has to use a comb or a hairbrush, and I cannot deal with that. I want my spoolie. So it's nice that the spoolie is attached to the pencil. And the other side, it has the pencil. It's cute. It's shaped like, it has like a oval type shape. I doubt you guys can see it because it's so small, like it's so precise. It has like a oval rectangle type of shape. So I guess, you know, when you stroke it on your eyebrows, it looks more like, you know, hair strands. But this is the amount of product that comes out. I'm scared. Okay, there's a lot of product. Oh, that's it. So this is a good amount of product for a pencil. I'm just gonna wind it down because I have a fear of breaking this. One time in the past, I used something like this. I think it was the Sephora brand. And me with my idiot self, I wind the shit so high, like I think I was using it when it was like this high, and everything just broke. And I'm not trying to have this because this is a high-end brand, and I'm not trying to waste my money by breaking the pencil. But anyways, guys, my eyebrows, they need to be done, but I'm just gonna work with what I have because my eyebrows aren't like, they aren't that terrible. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna take the spoolie, and if I'm looking this way because that's where my mirror is. And I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows just to get them, you know, neat. So what I like to do, I like to like brush them up. The reason why I like to brush them up is because I'm gonna shape it with the brush as well. You're gonna see it. And brush it, I just get all the knots and, you know. I'm gonna do, this is what I do. Everybody has their own technique. Okay, so if you guys don't like my technique, that's on you. I have my own technique. You have your own technique. Everybody has their own technique. This is just how I do my eyebrows. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna brush it, and I'm just gonna go like this, just to, you know, let me see the shape of how I want my eyebrows to be. This works for me. I always do my eyebrows like this. I always brush it like this. It just, I don't know, it helps me see where I need to add product and stuff. Now I'm gonna take the side with the pencil and I'm just gonna wind it up very minimal, like. I'm so nervous. I never do my eyebrows again. Wow, guys, right now I'm hardly even touching my eyebrow and product is coming on. Like, wow. It's very natural. Wow. As you guys can see, like when you lightly touch your skin, like the product does go on. You don't need to dig it into your eyebrow. looks very, very natural. So right now I'm just following my line that I already have. You guys can see it. I'm just gonna want to talk. I don't start from the outside. I build up the outside after I finish the other part of the body of my eyebrow, if that makes sense. And I just bring it right to where the arc would be. Did I say arc? I mean arch. So right there. And then I start to build up the front. Such an awkward position to do my eyebrows in. Normally, like when I'm in my mirror, I'm all up into the mirror looking at my eyebrows. So this is awkward. Anyways, now I'm just gonna start building my tail. So I like to start from the bottom. And guys, look, I'm lightly stroking. I'm like, I swear I'm hardly even touching my skin. And the product is going on like, yo, I'm loving this right now. This is the hard part. Alright. So right now I'm trying to just turn it. I'm just gonna go down. And honestly guys, don't worry if you make a mistake, because remember we use concealer to, you know, clean up the brow. So if you make a mistake, you can just go in with the concealer and clean it. But that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm connecting the tail just like so. Just like so. Guys, look at that. Like, look how, like, guys, yo, this color, like, it legit looks like exactly like my eyebrow here. Like, yo, guys, I'm telling you, look how, what's the word? Like, what's the word? Seamless? Is that the word? Seamless? Look how seamlessly it just, oh my god, I have no words right now. So now what I'm gonna like to do is I'm gonna start imitating the strokes and like imitating the hair, I should say, and stroke in the direction that my hair grows, just to fill it in. But I don't want it to be too dark, so I'm doing it like this. Just stroke it. Stroke it. Yeah, girl, stroke it. Yeah, girl, stroke it. Stroke it. Stroke it. My hair's about to drop off. Guys, look at this. Look at how it legit imitates my hair. This is bomb. Like, I'm in love. It doesn't look too dark. It doesn't look too waxy. It just looks perfect. Like, look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. So that is how I do one eyebrow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my other eyebrow, and I'll just get back to you guys after. Okay guys, so I am done using the pencils. As you guys can see, oh, natural. So now what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm just gonna highlight slash carve out slash shape out, so much stuff, the shape of my eyebrow. So not even so much, like just a little bit, just a little touch of product. And I'm just gonna start by going on my eyebrows. And what I like to do, I like to start from the middle of my eyebrow. Middle. And go to the arc. And just do it softly, like build it. Just like that. And then I start to go to the front. If I'm doing like a dramatic makeup look, like an eye look, I take the concealer all the way to my eye, just to make the process go a little bit faster. Like that. Eyebrow is shaped out, it's shaped out, it's shaped out. My eyebrow is shaped out, it's shaped out, it's shaped out. totally optional. If you feel like the top of your eyebrow is like shaped good, like right now I really feel like the top of my eyebrow is shaped good. So I technically don't have to go in with this step, but it's gonna be a little bit extra because I want my eyebrows to be extra sharp. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toast. So like I said before, I'm just gonna take a little bit of the product on the brush, like that. And what I like to do here is I like to start near the tail. Girl, yeah girl, eyebrow look good and so, yeah. One goodie. Okay, goodie sure, me got it. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the same brush, I'm just gonna blend out the top a little bit. Blend, 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 blend. And same for the bottom. Just blend it out into your skin, into your eye area. Just look how on fully. People still use that term. I use it. I know people still use that term. But may I tell you, say, girl eyebrow, hey, girl eyebrow look good and so look how girl eyebrow sharp and so, hey. Nobody can talk to me again, you know, girl. I tell you about the Kat Von D product there. I tell you about the Kat Von D. Look how my eyebrow them look good. Girl, you don't see how my eyebrow them look good. When I try to tell me say my eyebrow them don't look good, look how my eyebrow them look good and well sort out and so. Hey, me I take away enough girl, man, you know. But you know, you shouldn't see us say. Now fight no girl over no man, me no eat that. If me I take your man, me I keep that. Yes, goodie. Yeah, goodie. Eyebrow them well sort out. And I like to take my finger, you know, I like to blend it out as well. Your finger is your best friend when you're doing makeup. When you're doing makeup, okay? When you're doing makeup. It can be your best friend for other things as well. But right now we're talking about makeup. Okay guys, so this is my eyebrow. Oh my god. So as you can see, the Kat Von D, it really lets your eyebrows stand out. And it really looks natural. It doesn't look too dramatic. It legit looks like hair. Like, oh my god, I'm obsessed. Like I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed with what Kat Von D did. Like, I'm very impressed. Like, yeah, the eyebrow them look good. Eyebrow them look good. The eyebrow them look good. The eyebrow them look good. Yo, guys, your eyebrow is one of the most. Nah, it's not even one of the most. It is the most crucial part of your makeup. If your eyebrow them mash up, or if your eyebrows them messed up, or if your eyebrows looked jacked up, your makeup will look jacked up. But guys, no, honestly, like, I'm in love. Like, as I said before, I'm in love. Kat Von D A+. I'll continue to use this product. Like, yep, I will. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching my eyebrow tutorial featuring the Kat Von D signature brow precision pencil. More videos coming up. I want to do a fall tutorial, eye makeup tutorial, whatever, makeup look. But more things. I'm gonna be doing a lot more stuff, and I promise you, I'm gonna be back on YouTube. I'm back on YouTube. I have time. So anyways, guys, stick around. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your brother, sister, auntie, uncle, everybody where you know. Share this video here. Anyways, later.